Hello, my name is Bernie Fay, and I'm responsible for the project organization along with the tile set and level design.
Hi, I'm Colton Gross. I'm in charge of the animations, character design, and game design.
Hi, I'm Erin Jarrett, and I'm responsible for concept art and preliminary sketches.
Hi, my name is Michael Jarrett. I'm responsible for the overall project management, game development, and music composition.
We designed the game around a crew of astronauts who have crash-landed on an alien planet. Each crew member has landed on a different part of the planet, and the objective of the game is to progress through the different stages to recover the rest of your crew and be able to build your spaceship and finally leave the planet.
Each stage will have its own unique gameplay, whether it be terrain obstacles or challenging enemies, and to match that opposing force, each crew member will have their own special ability that adds a range of gameplay mechanics from double jumping and sprinting to effective camouflage against certain types of enemies. As the player progresses through the game, the stages will become more difficult, and new complex combinations of previously learned mechanics will add an element of strategy to the platformer gameplay.
To create the visual assets, like textures, backgrounds, and the game title, we are using a program called Piskel, which is a browser-based pixel art editor. The program allows us to lay together multiple frames of an animation and greatly speeds up our workflow by providing a simple yet powerful user interface.
The audio elements are from two different sources. First, we are using a website called beatbox.co to create chiptune sounds, such as clicks, pops, and that small sound you hear when you scroll around in the menus. We are also using FL Studio to create the more refined sounds, including all the background music.
Before creating our final assets, however, we prototype our design with rough sketches using Manga Studio 5 on the MacBook and Adobe Photoshop on the iPad.
Finally, to create more high-level game elements such as in-game levels, we are using a custom level editor into which we can import our tile sets, lay out the tiles, and save the data to a game-compatible file.
The game code starts with a small driver class, which initializes the main space game class, which itself is used to fire up and run the main game loop. From there, the loop splits into two important methods, update and render. The update method performs all necessary calculations and updates the state of the game, including player and enemy positions, health, current score, and more. The render method defers to what we call the Game State Manager, or GSM, which is responsible for processing and displaying whichever game mode is currently being played. The GSM also handles stage transitions, such as when a player leaves the main menu and opens the game. Each game state extends the abstract Game State class, which includes methods for initialization, input handling, updating, and rendering. We plan to use a highly organized object-oriented class structure to represent all game objects. That is, each map object descends from a base class with information such as position and a texture, and on top of that, we can extend that functionality with features such as keyboard control for the player or artificial intelligence for the enemies. Some more persistent features of the game, such as file and content management, as well as the sound engine, will be run using singleton instances with global access, since the features they provide are so ubiquitous throughout the game. Thank you for watching the Alone Together project preview. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope you're as excited for the release of the game as we are. On behalf of the entire team, have a great day.